How to remove double tick on WhatsApp message. So if you want to remove a double tick on a WhatsApp message, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to just simply go with the profile, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will find an option of chats. You need to tap on chats. Under chats, you need to scroll down again, and you will have an option of double tick. Or if you don't find it, you can just simply go with your privacy section, and under privacy you can go and select last seen and select nobody. And also who can see when I'm online, you need to go and select same as last seen. Once you do that, you need to go back, and then you can go with settings application. So go back and then open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps section, and from here you need to go with manage apps. Now you need to go with search, and you need to search for WhatsApp. After that, you need to tap on the WhatsApp application and go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and then go with clear cache. Once you do that, you can also just simply go and update your WhatsApp application from your Play Store if you have any updates, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.